Here's how a standard unloaded dual cab ute stops going 80 k's an hour. And here's how a fully loaded dual cab with bigger tyres and all the gear stops doing the same speed. I've got to tell you, that was a real eye-opener. Imagine those cones had been an animal, another vehicle, or heaven forbid, even worse. You know, we as four-wheel drivers, we're constantly upgrading everything on our four-wheel drive. You add all that up and it's nothing for us to put an extra 500 kilo. And that's before you've got all your camping gear in it. Now, the only way to stop better if you're towing or carrying heavy loads like I am is to do what we're doing right now. Upgrade your brakes. Folks, this right here, it's the ultimate brake upgrade kit from Bendix Brakes. Comes with upgraded rotors, you've got pads, brake lines, and a few other bits and pieces here just to make the install that little bit easier. Now, Bendix recommend this kit to anyone who are carrying heavy loads or towing. You'll see the Bendix brakes pulled up my D-Max 14 metres earlier than the standard brakes. For more information, why don't you visit bendix.com.au.